Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick to automatically turn off your screen every time you lock Windows. This is super useful if you often step away from your PC and want to save power, or just add an extra layer of privacy. Normally, when you press Windows plus L to lock your PC, the screen stays on until Windows Sleep or Display Timeout kicks in. But we can make the display turn off instantly the moment you lock it. To get started in the search box, search for an open Notepad. Paste the following script into Notepad. You will find the script in the video description. Save the file as a .ahk. Select all files from the File Type drop-down menu when saving. Now download Auto Hotkey from the official page. After the download is complete, install the application. Now, run the script you saved earlier. The script will run in the background. From now on, pressing Windows plus L to lock your PC will also switch off the monitor. Let me try that. You will see my screen turn off. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Windows tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.